Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel, Moto Off-Road Adventures. I appreciate you checking out my next video here. We're going to go ahead and set up my phone mount today. I went between a couple ones, but I'm going with the Quad Mount Pro and the stabilizer, so the additional vibration. I'll probably end up down the line doing the wireless charger as well. But we're going to get this installed today and then go for a little bit of a ride. Hopefully the weather clears and we'll have a little adventure today as well. Pretty excited about this. I keep riding with my phone in my pocket, and I'm excited to get the navigation up here and running. So let's take a look. Here's the mount here in my hand. I've been going between getting it kind of nice and centered so it won't be in the way of the odometer, and compared to off to the side here. But for GPS mode, if I'm going down the road, I'm a little afraid that might get in the way of my odometer. So I'm going to go center mount, kind of take a look what that does for us, take a little ride and see if that does good. Alright, well, let's get started. Let me show you what it looks like here with the phone on. So if I'm in my riding position right here, I can see the miles per hour and RPMs directly over. This is the sitting position, so of course standing will be even better. And when it swivels down, if I'm going to have it in landscape mode at all, it is right between those handlebars. So I think this is about perfect. I can have some proper notifications and navigation for once, and I think I'm ready to go. So I did install vibration dampener, just as highly recommended. You can just see, if you can see that, but there is a lot of movement that gives you. So takes it easy on the own phone there. A few different models, looking at what I want to do, but I think the Quadlock is going to be right for me. I also do some e-biking out in the mountains, mountain bike, e-biking, and this can be a good option there as well. But once again, thanks for joining in. Let's hit a road, have some adventure, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bing notification bell. Let's build a little community. Let's have some fun.